Hi, today I'm running with POCO C50 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. But if you see that the Google Assistant is activated with the press and hold to the power key, but you don't want to use the Assistant, you want to use only the power off menu, but press and hold to the power key, we should first open the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Then go to gesture shortcuts, click launch Google Assistant, and now we should turn off the switcher. So now let's just press and hold the power key and we can click twice the power off icon to turn off our device. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.